stay throughout as our continuing coverage.
Yes, you were on in the early morning hours. You and Don Scott did a phenomenal job. It just really kind of encompassed and showed everything that's happening with the storm. It's just massive.
And all of our reporters who are actually outside in the elements doing the real work today, along with our meteorologists, including Bernadette Woods, who's been tracking the storm for us. We're going to go to her right now in the First Warning Weather Center. Bernadette.
Well, we do have that 2 p.m. update. If you haven't been with us when it first came in, we're going to take you through that right now. The winds remain the same at 90 miles per hour, but the pressure continues to drop. And we've tried to explain this, and if you haven't been with us for any of these explanations, that's a sign that this storm is intensifying, not only in its strength, but in its size, as we've seen on the satellite radar here. Now, another thing, too, it has picked up a lot of speed with a turn more toward the northwest. It was the north-northwest at our last update. Now it's the northwest, and it's jumped to 28 miles per hour for the forward speed. At this rate, it will make landfall in about 4 hours somewhere on the Jersey coastline, probably southern Jersey. So we will continue to keep you updated on that. Until it makes landfall, our conditions will continue to intensify, our winds, our rain, and then we'll hit the peak of our conditions tonight when it makes landfall into the early morning hours tomorrow. And by that, we mean wind gusts 50 to maybe 80 miles per hour, and western parts of the state, that's when the blizzard conditions are going to kick in. So now we're going to show you First Warning Doppler radar, and this is what we've got going on with that. We do have those heavy bands of rain that continue to come in from the east, and actually in the last couple of frames we've seen here, we think this is the eye making its way a little bit closer to land. This is getting pretty close now as we speak. Here's Ocean City. We keep showing you Mike Helgren down there and Jessica down there, and in that last shot it was really difficult for Mike Helgren, and this is why. This intense band now making its way in from the northeast, having wind gusts probably over 60 miles per hour with it, and just very heavy rainfall. You can see that is all of Delaware at this point is under yellow, and that is spreading to the west. We did have some reds earlier, which indicated the really intense rainfall, even though that's backed up somewhat. Look, we've got yellow almost the entire state, so a lot of rain coming down. Rainfall amounts over 2.5 inches right now at BWI Marshall, about 5 inches in Ocean City, and they just keep on going up. Here are the actual readings for wind gusts. Now, these are at airport sites for the most part. It says 10 miles per hour sustained in Baltimore. It's consistently been higher than that, so we're thinking about 20 mile per hour range for most of us. Farther south and east in the 30 mile per hour range.